If you are assigned as CAMI Associate or Quality Assurance Monitoring and Evaluation of Trainings Associate, this video demonstration is for you. Good day everyone! Today we are going to learn a new learning. It's all about on how to analyze our data responses from our Google form in going to our Google Sheets. Google Sheets makes our data pop with colorful charts and graphs, built-in formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting options. It saves time and simplifies common spreadsheet tasks. How to do it? Let us start. First, let us open our Google Drive. Simply open on Google Apps icon and choose Drive. My Gmail account is already signed in. So let us proceed to our Google Sheet. So mine is here. In our CAMI folder. My Google Sheets is already created a while ago. So this is the Google Sheets that I created. And these are the responses in our training. Let us analyze our column C. So let us click on C header. And then, in our status bar, there is Explore icon. So let us click on this. And as you can see in our Google Sheet, it has 147. But the first row, it is treated as our headings or field names. So from A1 to AW147, actually the Google Sheets counted from A2 until A147. Google Sheets counted the responses. For agree, we have 17 responses. Strongly agree, 128. Strongly disagree, we have 1. A total of 146 responses. So that is for our pivot table. If we are going to attach this into another sheets, we are going to click this Insert Pivot Table. So let us try. So new sheet is already selected. Let us click Create. And as you can see, another tab will be displaying here. And this is our pivot table. So if you want to format it, you may format the layout. For example, I want to have a chart for this session number 1. So let us go back to our responses and again, click on Explore icon. Then let us scroll it down. So it says strongly disagree has 0.7%, while agree has 11.6%, and strongly agree has 87.7% with a total of 100%. We can view this chart or we can insert this into another sheet or here in the existing sheet. So let us click this icon, Insert Chart. And then automatically, it inserted in our existing sheet. For example, I want to put that on a different or new sheet. From this chart, there is ellipsis icon. So let us click on this ellipsis and click Copy. And then let us proceed to the sheet where we want to paste it. Then right-click and paste. So this is our chart for that column C or session number 1. And that's it for analyzing the responses in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for another informative video. See you again to our next learning.